Hey guys, it's a new video this week, and we're going on a trip. We're going to be doing a work trip, so we're going to be going to pick some stuff up in Muskoka, and we're going to be bringing it all the way to Hamilton, or Niagara region. So we're going to be doing a little bit of work and camping this weekend. I'm going to take the trailer with me, and we're going to try to find a stealthy boondocking campsite somewhere in southern Ontario near Niagara. It might be a truck stop, it might be anything. We'll see what happens. So I'm just carrying in the front an extra propane tank, the insulated foam I made earlier, a lock, tripod, my boots, a couple of sleeping things, and that's it. Later I'm gonna go get a box for Tigger, and we have our food, Tigger and I, so we should be fine, the cat and I, for the first trip. So we're at the delivery, we got the load. We're gonna head out soon. The load is secured. We are ready to head out to Niagara area from Katrine, Ontario, so in the Algonquin area. Yes. Let's go and enjoy the ride. Nice, so we got all the wine racks here from Katrine, Ontario near Algonquin to Niagara. Different view than the moose we just saw. 27 degrees right now in Ontario. So the first spot I went to was completely rampant with people, and I didn't even stay there for long. But this spot looks pretty decent, not too many people, at least right now. I'm gonna go read what the sign says over here. So the park closes at 11 p.m. so I won't be able to park here tonight. Which is kind of the fun of the adventure, I guess, eh? Trying to find a place to camp. There was one place where I saw a truck parked earlier, which wasn't too far from here, so I might just go to that spot later today. I think he's enjoying himself now. You enjoying yourself? Coming in. He needs me to come in with him. Getting comfy with the space. Home. Home, Tigger. This is home. Yeah, this is his first night. He's been in here before, but not overnight. Yeah, so it's either, he was either scratching that over there, or he was scratching over here. He ate a little bit of food, I fed him. And he has his water. And litter. Spilled a little bit over here, but that can be swept up. Oh, he's comfy. This is the real trailhead. See how far we can go. kind of cool. So I just came down from that hill, down into the creek area. I'm gonna just step over these rocks. There's no water here right now. Usually all this would be just flowing. Out of the field of rocks that I'm walking over, one of them has a piece of metal sticking out of it. Interesting. So I just came from down there. Ball Falls is further down. I might drive there next, check it out, but maybe not. Yeah, I didn't walk all the way to it, there's no point. But I walked up the hill, and look at these rocks. The Flintstones house. So we're home for the night. Just at this random truck area here in Jordan, close to where the drop-off was. I did a little bit of exploring around, but nothing here is really that interesting, to be honest. And everything is private, so you can't actually park anywhere properly. So I took one of the rails for the ATV track to get up here. Just took it off so I could sit on here. There he is. A little bit worried, a little bit scared still, but getting used to it. He has all of whatever he needs. He has his stare down. The highway's just on the other side of those trees. The main highway, well, one of them to the United States, and the main one to Niagara Falls, actually, the QEW. Baby Sterling and baby Tig. I absolutely love it in here. Tig, do you love it in here? Tigger, do you love it? He loves it. He loves it. He loves it. So I put his water on that side, so he can easily get to his food on that side. And then he can walk right in the middle in between them and walk into his litter box. So that's the way to set it up. So that's his corner, and the rest is mine. So that's the beauty of it. If I had somebody else here, they'd have to kind of squeeze. 10 o'clock. The game is over. The Habs lost, and Tig and I are gonna fall asleep now. Good morning from day one. After sleeping at this stop all night near the QEW, Tig and I made it the first night. Didn't need to turn on the heater at all. And both very happy. So we made the night. Tig is back inside. Hopefully not a BC overnight boondocking with mountains, but at least we found a spot. In Ontario, finding a spot is one of the hardest things you can do. So I say if you could find it in Ontario, you could find a boondocking spot anywhere.